Hi everyone, my name is Kimberly Paige. I am a UKG Insider, and today I'm going to go over availability and how to put in your availability into the UKG Pro App. Okay, so we're going to start off with opening our app. When you open it up on My Shortcuts, it should have My Schedule. If you do not see it, you can go to the little pencil up in the right-hand side, and it will have the different options, so then you can customize this to however you want. Well, let's say it doesn't show up in that list of all the ones that you need. Wait 24 hours because sometimes it needs a little bit once you get put into the system to actually have that availability to put in your schedule. Now that you're in My Schedule, you are going to go up into that top left-hand corner and click on Request. This has a drop-down menu. This is going to be some of the different aspects that you're going to do with schedule-wise, but you're going to go down to change availability at this time. Okay, now we're in availability change and we're going to go step by step through. So first of all, you want to include your start date. This might be important if your availability changes. Let's say it goes from summer to fall and now you are taking kids to work or you start school, one of those different things, then you will want to put what date this availability is going to change. Secondly, you're going to do, is it forever? Is this going to happen? This schedule is what it's going to be for ever and ever and ever until you change it. Or are you going to have it change on a specific date? For example, when I work at a water park, and so it is seasonal. Our specific date that it is going to end is the last day that the water park is going to be open. So then it gets rid of any availability. People aren't scheduled when the water park isn't open. And then that also means that when they start up the next season, it doesn't keep that same availability. Next, we're going to do repeat entry. I like doing 1 week because every week it is going to be the same. You can do every 2 weeks, and so you set it up for every 2 weeks. If maybe it changes every other week, depending on like custody or the school or different activities you have going on. So once you click on what the repeat is, you're going to hit the next button at the bottom right-hand corner. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to click on 2 dates. Let's say I want the exact same schedule, Mondays and Tuesdays, but Wednesday through Friday is going to be something completely different. Then you will click on those 2 dates and you will set it. For right now, let's just start off with Sunday. So we're going to click on Sunday and then hit edit availability, which will highlight once you click on a day. Okay, this is important. As you're putting in availability, you need to have unavailable, available, unavailable. So it's going to look like red, green, red, and you want to fill up the whole entire day. For example, start time is 12 a.m. to 9 a.m. And then the time that you are available to work is 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. Doesn't mean you're going to be working that whole time. It just means you're available for any shift in there. And then unavailable from 8 p.m. to 12 a.m. So it is red, green, red. All the hours are filled in. Once you do that, you are going to either merge with a previous schedule that you've already done or replace previously scheduled availability. This is just depending on if this is your first time putting it in or if it's a past one you put in. Once you save that day's availability, it is going to pop you back into this availability change window and it will have the availability on this. This person put they're unavailable on Sundays. So it has completely red across the whole entire thing. So what we're going to do is we're going to do availability for the other slots now. Okay, this person has from 9 o'clock to 8 o'clock that they are available Monday through Saturday. And so it has it green for those areas, but it also has the reds along the edges. That makes it so easy so that when managers, they're not wondering, maybe they are available to work, maybe they aren't available. This makes it so that they can just click a button and it auto-populates the schedule. So you're never scheduled for anything that you don't want to be scheduled for. And then they also are able to complete schedules a lot easier and a lot faster. Okay, you're now going to hit review at the bottom right-hand corner of this page. Now it's going to populate to your calendar. You can look and see all of your days are colored and that you have everything scheduled. Once you hit submit, this is going to go to your manager. The manager will then look over it, double check to make sure that everything works out. And then once they accept it, it will make it so that every time that they set the schedule, it is going to put it as your availability that you just put in. This makes it so much easier for everyone, and it's one of the aspects I absolutely love about UKG. If you have any other questions about putting in availability, please reach out to your manager, as they would love to help you, because it not only helps you, but it helps them. You have just finished the tutorial on availability in the UKG Pro app. Again, I'm Kimberly Paige. I am a UKG Insider, and I'm so thankful that I can do this process to make it a lot easier for employees all around the world to understand how to put in availability.